Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is a mobile vision of luxury and innovation. External, BMW's redesigned kidney grille, which may have adjustable lighting, will be a prominent front-end feature. The headlights will be a seamless part of the body thanks to their sleek adaptive laser LED design. Lightweight materials to save weight and increase fuel efficiency. Lightweight composite materials like carbon fiber and aluminum will be essential. Large windows that may be electrochromic and bend. Side doors that slide or hinge and have automated opening and shutting systems, maybe with sophisticated keyless entry. Interior, the instrument cluster, the newest iDrive infotainment system, and other car functions will all be integrated into a huge curved touchscreen. The trip will be even more delightful with built-in 5G connectivity, a high-end Bowers and Wilkins sound system, a huge fold-out TV, and a tiny cinema projector. Kitchen features include an induction cooker, a built-in coffee machine, a refrigerator-freezer combo, and a simple sink. With complete connection with the smart home ecosystem, customers may use voice commands or smartphone apps to operate the entertainment system, blinds, lighting, and temperature. The most likely choice is a plug-in hybrid, which combines a strong electric motor and an efficient TwinPower Turbo gasoline engine to provide snappy performance and a considerable range. Full electric F. A solid-state battery with a full electric drivetrain will provide a longer range for more expensive models. A long-term option for BMW is the hydrogen fuel cell FCEV, which provides quick charging and a long range without emitting any emissions. Intelligent drive system, adaptive air suspension that can adapt to road conditions will be included as standard, along with xDrive all-wheel drive. Biometric Security System, high-level security vehicle access by facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. Air Filtration System, to provide the best air quality inside the cabin, especially in polluted locations. Rooftop solar panels that are seamlessly integrated.